Hello, and welcome to my review of MachineWorks 4-cylinder engine. First off, I thought I'd start by showing you the final product. This is what it looks like when it's already been assembled. And what you'll see and hear when I press this button down here is you'll hear the sound of a car starting up, and you'll be able to see the spark plugs, which are up and here, illuminating to show as the cylinders would be firing. You can see the crankshaft down here is moving, camshaft, rocker shaft. We've got the fan over there, and the LEDs just lighting up inside here. So I thought I'd start with the best bit, showing you what it looks like at the end. But now I'll give you a little bit more information about the kit. So the kit comes in quite a big box. If you're looking for it, this is what the box looks like. It's got all of the parts inside, and most usefully has this instruction manual. And the instruction manual takes you through each part of the build. It starts with a part list here, and what you can see is each part has been given a name and a number, and the names are actually the names that you get when you're working with car engines, so it's quite useful to get to know those names. So what did I think were the pros and the cons of this particular kit? A pro is that I had no knowledge of car engines before I started it, and now I understand the words like the crankshaft and the camshaft and how the engine works, at least on a basic level. Another pro is that this is pretty cool, so you can put it on your desk after you're done. It's a nice conversation starter when someone comes into your office. Both a pro and a con, thinking back to that part list, is that the instruction manual uses the real parts for things, and that's a pro because you learn it. You learn what all those words mean. Some kits just say, part 10. This actually uses the real word. A con in that if you're not familiar with those words, it can be a bit trickier, take a bit longer to do the build. Another con is that not all of the parts within the box had the actual number on them, so sometimes you have to look at the shape and show it, match it to this to figure out which individual part it is. But overall, I would say this kit is great for anybody who's trying to learn about car engines, which was the reason I did it, or anyone that's already interested in car engines and understands it and just wants a really cool thing to put on their desk. So for about £37, I think this is well worth the money, and I hope you found this review useful.